Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the display. Now we have to find the eye comfort shield, which is the basically eye comfort or night mode in this device. So we can turn it on without customization just by tapping on the switcher. However, I'm not really sure whether you can see the difference. Let me change the mode to the light one. Let's tap on this switcher. Well, there is a slight difference. You can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is basically in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So now let's customize it, so probably you will be able to see the difference a little bit better. So let's tap on this eye comfort shield, and currently we've got the adaptive mode turned on, which means that the screen will adjust to the time of the day, etc. So let's simply switch to the custom one, which is a manual option, and now you can see the difference more clear. Here we've got the switcher and connected with the color temperature. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. It's almost orange, and now you can see the difference for sure. You can set the schedule for that option. You can set it on always on, which is the manual option, from sunset to sunrise, which means that your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, as you can see. It needs the access to the location, so don't allow now. And the custom option, which means that you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the eye comfort shield accordingly. Alright, so I'll set always on. So basically this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully, and the eye comfort shield will be in this section with the screen brightness and the dark mode. So let's simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.